welcome. My name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan. Let's get baking. Today we're going to be making a simple vegan banana loaf. So let's get on to that. For this recipe you're going to want 2 to 3 really ripe bananas so that they're nice and soft. You can also use frozen ones and heat them back up. But I have these ones which are starting to go, so you're going to use it. You're going to want to take all the skins off, put them in a bowl and mash them up. And then we mash. Tastes banana. Alright, I'm then going to add this after I've all mashed it into a bowl. Just like that. To that, I'm then going to add half a cup of plant-based milk, some vanilla essence, sugar, a 1/4 cup of oil. Then I'm going to mix it. Honestly, you could probably whisk this together. To my beautiful gloopy mess, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some flour until I get a good consistency. I'll let you know how much. Start with a cup. Alright, I'm happy with that. Alright. 1.5 cups of flour and a teaspoon and a half. Teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Mix together. You can add those at the same time. It'll be easier. Mix that through good. You could also add in some cinnamon, which would go really nice with this. Not feeling like that today though. To a lined loaf tin, we are going to add that in. Bake at 180 on bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. The banana loaf has already come out of the oven and it's already cooled and photographed. I've done things a little bit out of order this time, but it is tasty. It's really good. It's a little on the dense side, but it's still nice and like fluffy in the inside. It's not like a really dense cake. I don't know, you should bake it for yourself and find out. It's definitely very sweet, very tasty, a good lunchbox thing, and a simple dimple, easy recipe. As always, I'll link the recipe in the description box below. It tastes amazing. Good way to use up those bananas that are about to go off. The final product and final picture will be on my Instagram as always. And I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you consider liking, subscribing, commenting, all of that jazz. It helps my channel tremendously, so much. And I'll see you all in the next baking video. Peace. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of butter. Don't want that much though. Whoops, that's a lot. It's a very soft banana bread.